Hello, we are back with another social studies lesson on what are resources. This is part two. In part one, you, the learner, was able to define resources, defined natural resources, and you were introduced to skilled resources, and you were able to list some of the skilled resources. In this lesson today, you are going to name the resources found underground, define primary and human resource, and list some of the natural resources. Natural resources underground. Many of these resources supply fuel for heat, light, and power. Natural resources on land. Sand, the rocks, trees, salt. Full of trees. Salt, rocks, oil. Other natural resources under the sea are the marine fish, the shellfish, oil, aragonite. Aragonite, this is a Bahamian resource excavated from the sea floor at Ocean Key and used in the manufacturing of glass and fertilizers. Off the coast of Bimini, there are deposits of very pure limestones called aragonite. This is used in the making of cement. Primary resources. Primary industry collect our natural resources. Example, mining, fishing, farming are primary resources. Most natural resources need some sort of change or processing before they can be used. Human resources. Human resources is the special skills and knowledge of people. A doctor uses skills that she or he learned to cure you when you are ill. Human resource. A teacher uses the skills in the classroom. Human resource. A dressmaker uses skills to make clothes. Human resources are needed to make good use of natural resources. Renewable resources. Renewable resources are natural resources that can be replenished in a short period of time. Example, the trees, the sand dunes, the wind, and the water. Trees. When trees are cut down, new trees can be planted on the same ground to replace those that have been removed. Solar resource. Energy from the sun. Why is energy from the sun renewable? Wind. Wind from energy from the wind. Why is energy from the wind renewable? Climate. Climate resources are also renewable. Water, a natural resource, evaporates from the Earth's surface to form clouds. The water is returned to the Earth again as rain or snow. This process is called the water cycle. The water cycle. Thank you for watching and listening to part two of Natural Resource.